Hey guys, Ninja here with Jarek. Jarek's got a bit of a tricep issue going on.
Yeah.
I'm just going to treat you, man, so you can tell us about it a bit. How long's it been going on for?
It's probably gone on for a few weeks. I do feel, oh, that's good. Yeah, tightness when I'm doing dips.
Yeah.
So when I do loaded dips, I can feel it on the lockout and I can just feel it. Doesn't cramp, but it's like trembling or it's about to cramp. So I know there's some tightness in those areas.
Yeah.
And that's on the money straight away.
Yeah.
You flicked over it a little bit, didn't you?
Yeah. I can feel, man. Just trying to be precise with you.
Yeah.
Get right into where that tendon is kind of joining on up in here.
Yeah.
So try and get to the source. I think that's the key, eh?
Yeah.
So yeah, our style here is a lot of pinning and holding. Doesn't look as visually attractive, I suppose, but we're all about results. A lot of times things need to be held for extended periods of time so that they can really calm down and you can make a more permanent kind of change to the connective tissue, being the fascia and the tendon. So that's where a lot of times the pain originates from. So we're trying to get to the source of your suffering. It's where the attachment is. So, yeah, by being fancy, doing all these massage strokes might look good, but does it yield results? So that's where we're kind of coming from. So that's what it's all about. So I can really feel when I change angle, pushing down in that, I can really feel that line of tension for Jarek. So down through there, so I can kind of bear down into that and just really wait on it for that to start to change, and then I can kind of just go on to the next part. As I kind of melt the edges, then the new part will appear, because that's the bit that I'm currently on will melt and I can sink right into it, and then the bit that's right next to it is still solid. You've got to bear into that. So it's just a real slow, methodical kind of treatment system that we have. I can just feel that trying to slip out there. So yeah, Jarek's got good pain going on, bro.
Oh, yep, it's all happening.
Yeah,
definitely.
all happening, man.
Oh, it's all happening.
Yeah, it's so amazing when you actually receive this treatment, just how different it feels to what it looks. Because it feels like there's so much going on, but you're not even really changing location on the skin. But you're just sort of able to kind of hit all these different aspects of a knot or a different, part of a tendon, and then actually engage with it and deal with the gunk where it's stuck. And that's kind of our job in a big way, is to get things unstuck. So yeah, that's what we do. We're the plumbers, trying to facilitate that healing, our body ability to kind of heal itself. Sometimes it's just because it's stuck. It can't get the job done. It's really holding them there. How's that feel, man?
It's good. Yeah, you're just changing the angles, are you?
Yeah, man. I haven't really even moved. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
I'm
good.
kind of angling down.
Yeah.
But I'm still in that same spot on your skin.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I haven't got any wax in my hand. So I'm just really trying to go slow, stay engaged, and get the job done. Want Jarek to be able to heal up and be able to do those 50 kilo dips he's been doing.
I got 40 on the PB.
40?
40,
You're
yeah.
just going to do 50.
Yeah.
That's near your body weight, isn't it, man?
Yeah. 60 is my body weight.
60? Do you reckon you can get a 60 kilo dip?
I reckon one repper maybe.
One rep,
we'll
man.
see. We can work our way up.
Yeah, that's impressive. So yeah, I can just really feel that. It's kicking back. It's fighting, but I'm more certain that I can fix it than it's certain that it can stay stuck. It's a thing. So how long have you been here working with us, Jarek? I remember it feels like just yesterday we were out in the tram tracks, piggybacking Nat, and doing some starts and stuff, getting
Yeah.
in your bare feet,
I reckon.
doing some sprints.
This is my 8th year now.
8th year?
8th year now, I believe.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, time flies.
It does, bro.
Man.
You're growing up here, bro.
I reckon, yeah.
Yeah.
It's definitely evolved.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel like we're a completely different business to when you first
Oh,
started.
100%. Even the courses and stuff, like we did like a what I was like coming in every week, I think it was, or
Yeah.
a few times a week.
Yeah.
Learn how to look at the body, treat the body.
Yeah.
And I remember I was just thinking, what's this new technique? And this is crazy, like,
Yeah.
you know, it blew my mind.
Yeah. And was it Das that brought you in?
Das got me in, because
Yeah.
me and Das, we're in the same batch studying.
Yeah.
So, I'm grateful to Das that he got me in here and showed me the ropes.
Yeah.
Because, it was a profound experience of going through the training and, you know, learning about the MMT style,
Yeah.
through the sprinting, the lifts, and the treatment, of course.
Yeah.
So that was, it's been a ride.
Yeah. It's cool, man. You're such an athlete, man. You just come out and smoke us at the sprints each year.
The competition, everyone's geeing us up, so I reckon I got a bit out of that, you know.
Yeah. You and Maddie going head to head. It's pretty.
Yeah. I mainly wanted to beat Maddie. That's
Yeah,
why.
that's your thing.
That's what got me out there.
Hey, how's that feel?
That feels good. Tight at the time, but
Yeah.
even if I've tested it.
Test it out. Do you need that wax? Is there any other spots you can kind of feel?
Pretty good.
Pretty
I
good?
remember doing that. I just feel it hold on.
Yeah.
But
It's fixed.
yeah.
How about that? Yeah, so hit the right spots, you can fix anybody. So that's the way it works. So don't try and be fancy. Pin and hold. Get it done.